Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5120998. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on Restore. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click. Click on Restart. Now find App Readiness. Make a double click on App Readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on App Readiness. Click on Restart. Once done, now you can go back and update. Still not working? Go to Windows Update, and over here you can see Pause Update option. Click on Pick a Date. You can select any date to pause the update. Once the update is paused, now you can click on Resume Updates and let the update install. Still not working? You can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box. Make a right click on Command Prompt app. Make sure that you run Command Prompt as an administrator only. Click on Yes to allow. Copy the first command. Paste it over here. Hit the Enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the Enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. And after the system restart, check. If scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Now, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5120998, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. Type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option, and check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. If you have Windows 11 version 26H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download, and then click on KB5120998 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually, and once it is done, restart your PC and then check. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and over here click on Advanced option, scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working? The last step is to use Media Creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on Yes to allow. Click on Accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on Next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. Click on Save, and let the download complete. Now this process will take some time. Once done, you can click on Finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on Setup file, click on Yes to allow, and then click on Next, click on Accept. Now over here you can see Ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.